Saltwater survivors. Mangroves thrive in salty coastal waters where most trees would perish. Nurseries of the sea. Their tangled roots shelter baby fish, crabs, and even crocodiles. Climate warriors. Mangroves store up to 10 times more carbon per hectare than terrestrial forests. Nature's shield. They protect coastlines from erosion, storm surges, and tsunamis. Rooted resilience. Some species filter salt through their leaves or bark. Nature's desalination system. Wildlife haven. Home to over 1,500 species, including monkeys, eagles, and Bengal tigers. Under threat. Shrimp farming and coastal development are major causes of mangrove loss. Global reach. Found in 123 countries, with the largest forest in the Sundarbans, India and Bangladesh. Water purifiers. Mangroves trap sediments and filter pollutants before they reach the ocean. Hard to replant. Once lost, mangroves are tough to restore due to disrupted sediment flow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe.